that was my first shot, it would have been awesome. I think I shanked that one. Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. It's quite early, we are on our way now to Riversdale. Gonna play 18 there at the Riversdale Golf Club. As you can see, it's cold. The car is almost frozen. It's around 8 o'clock. We're going to drive now. It's a 40-minute. If you drive it slow, it's 40-minute drive. But today we're going to make it 25 minutes. But anyway, now I'm just joking. Drive safe out there, guys. And this is Ladies Month, so I got on the pink socks and everything. So shout out to all the women out there. Stay cool, guys. Enjoy your day. Hey guys, welcome here to Riversdale Golf Club. Today we're playing here on this beautiful course. The greens are in excellent condition, the fairways also. I think I shanked that one. I just laid up on a par 3, so the wheels are coming off now.